Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your connections from your profile. First, let me show you what I mean by that. For example, if I go to this person profile, once I click on this, you can see there's written 500 plus connections. So what we are going to do, we are going to hide these connections from our profile. So let's get started. To hide your connections, you need to go to your settings. Just click on the me icon on the top right. And here you need to click on the settings and privacy. On the left side, you can see there are some options. You can see the third option is visibility. Just click on this one. And now on visibility and your profile network, you can see there's a fourth option for connections. Just click on this. And now you can uncheck this box by clicking on this green icon. And there you go. You can see your connection visibility is now off. And by this, you can see no one will be able to see your connection list on your profile. And that's how you can change the connection visibility on your profile. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.